on quick hits, gonna see if we can't get something to go off. I'll be happy with an awesome line hit. But we would not be mad for a triple hit. And we got extra spins.
I'll show up on the 7th at 8.
Alright, we need 5, 6, or 7. Come on. Let's get a 7. 3's a line hit. Good, there's an extra. Come on, bunch of extra spins. Oh, 7s. Keep going with the 7s.
Great.
Yeah, hit it. Ding dang. Thought when you got 3 out of the first reel, you were going to get a good one. Come on, extra. There we go. Thank you. Come on, hit it big now. Let's get a 5. There's bars. There we go, 3 more. Come on, make it worth our while. Come on, 8 quick hits. You can do it. 7s and 3 more. You got triple 7s. Come on, do something. Alright, not bad. That's a bonus. A bonus is a bonus. And we're going to do 3 backups here in a second. Alright, ready, go. See if we can't get red and purple to go off. Go down to 35. Last one, here we go. Purple, red, purple, red. Alright, we're on Lion Link here. Let's see if we can't get into a bonus. Want to see those white balls? Or lots of wilds. And we got it. We got it. And that's a $10. There you go. There we go. Anything, anything. Come on, be nice. There we go. Anything, baby, anything. Yeah. How about 15 so we can get the grand? Fill the screen.
Major.
Yeah, major would. I might take a minor. It's good you still see balls spinning though. Alright, what do we got? What do we got? Alright. And the dragon helped us out here. great win on low rolling bets. Thank you, Lion Link. 2 backups, or 3 backups? Yep, ready for the backups. See if we can't get it in again. Oh man, I thought we were gonna have it there. Yep.
There we go.
Come on. Oh, trees like that.
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's go try something else. One here on the Thunder Drums. Let's see if we can't get into a jackpot here at the MGM Northfield. And see what happens. See if we can't get something to hit here. Come on. Blue, green, blue, green. Anything. Green one's a good one. That's the Thunder prize and free game. Yeah, I want green and red on this one for sure. One more. Oh, that's some nice wilds. Alright, that gets us a few more spins. Let's see what this Charmsful Link will do. Do a little low roll here, see what we can get. We'll play it down to 20, see if we can get something to go off. Come on, circles. Oh, so the creepy guy is wild. Oh, I think we got something. No? You weird little man.
Just weird.
That was a fakey shaky.
I can get 6 of the coins. Coins. Last one.
All right, that's it.